Introducing Rollbot, an intelligent rolling robot and new best friend for your family. Like Magic Ball, Rollbot rolls around and allows you to watch and interact with your pet in real time with your cell phone in anywhere. The wide-angle HD cloud camera gives you an optimal view of all the cute things you might have missed while you were away, as well as records, snaps images, and video at the touch of a button. His ball-shaped design helps him to go anywhere. He's able to roll in any direction, spin, even dance, and it can always stand with his head up. Rollbot is aware of his surroundings and can respond realistically in a unique way. With his advanced sensors and high-performance processor, Rollbot can move smoothly, quickly, and precisely with a maximum heading speed of 10 km per hour. His housing is made of hard polyurethane, with UV-resistant coating that make him strong and durable. Rollbot is fully waterproof. He can be fully submerged and even moved in the water. Rollbot supports 10-watt USB quick charge and wireless charging dock. Be one of the first to get Rollbot and enjoy the fun.